Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 10th lesson of D3 chapter number 8, exercise 8D, that is about the cosine law. In today's class, students will be learning and discussing intermediate level question number 14. As the question is long, so I'll be reading the question carefully from the book. Question 14 says, in the trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, CD is 7.5 centimeter, and AD is 6 centimeter. Point X lies on CD such that BX is parallel to AD. This line is important. Let me read this line again. The point X lies on CD. Point X lies on CD such that BX becomes parallel to AD, and we have to find BCX and the length BD. Okay, so now first of all, let's read the question again. That ABCD is a trapezium in which AB and DC are parallel, and AB has a length 4.5 and DC has a length 7.5, and then point X lies on CD in such a way that when we are drawing the line from B to X and A to D becomes parallel. Now look, by drawing BX line, AB XD becomes a parallelogram, and if it is a parallelogram, it means that DX length will also be 4.5. But if we look at the diagram, we can see DC total is 7.5. If out of that 7.5, 4.5 has been used over here, from D to X means X to C will be 7.5 minus 4.5, which is 3 centimeter. And now again, the second important thing is that AD and BX are parallel. So if AD is 6, this will also be 6 centimeter. Now let's talk about the actual requirement of the question. The first requirement of the question is BC and X. BCX angle. So for BCX angle, what we are going to do, we actually have to take the triangle BCX. So let me draw the figure here so that my students can understand the working easily. B, C and X. Okay, this is B, C and X. C and X. Let me join towards this side. This is B, and this is C, and this is X. This is 5, this is 6, and this is 3. Centimeters, and this is also centimeters. Now look, as this is vertex B, so this side will be B, this will be X, and this will be C. Now we have to find BCX angle. So we are given with 3 lengths only, so what we have to do is we have to apply cosine law in triangle BCX. In triangle BCX, C square will be equal to what? C square will be equal to B square plus X square minus 2BX and cos of angle C. Okay, now look at the diagram. C has the value 6. 6 square equals to 3 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 3 into 5 and cos C or BCX as it is. That is the requirement of question. Now 6 square is 36 equals to 9 plus 25. 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30 cos C. Now 25 plus 9, that is 34. 25 plus 9, this gives me 34 minus 30 cos C equals to 36. Now shift this 34 to other side. 36 minus 34 equals to minus 30 cos C. Okay, 36 minus 34 is 2 equals to minus 30 cos C. 30 cos C. Okay, and now what we have to do is that cos or cosine C will be equal to 2 by 30. And remember and recall that what does minus indicate? C equals to cos inverse of minus 2 by 30 or minus 1 by 15. Our calculation has to be the obtuse angle cos inverse of minus 1 divided by 15, and this gives me 93.8. C equals to 93.8 degrees, or BCX angle, which is the requirement of question, is 93.8 degrees. And let me underline this, 93.8. I hope the first requirement of question is clear to all of you, and the second is length BD. Length BD. Now think how we are going to find the length BD. If we are for some time forgetting about this line, we have a triangle BC and D with us. BC and D. Let me draw the figure here. BCD triangle. BC and D. This is D. This is C, and this is B, vertex B. Let me join these two sides, these 2 points. BD, and this angle we just have calculated, 93.8. This is 5, and D to C is 7.5, which is already given in the question. Now look, this is the side in front of C, so it will be small c, this is small b, and this is small d. So in order to find length BD, what we are going to do, we will be taking triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, we have to find length C. C square equals to B square plus D square minus 2 BD, and cosine of angle C. Now B has the value 7.5 square, D has the value 5 square, minus 2 into 7.5 into 5, and cos of 93.8, cos 93.8 degrees, or we can write it minus 1 by 15. It's up to you. 7.5 square gives me 56.25 plus 25 minus 2 times 7.5 multiplied by 5, that is 75, and cos 93.8 gives me minus 0.0662. Okay, now this minus will become when after multiplication will become positive. 56.25 plus 25, 81.25 plus 75 multiplied by 0.066, and this gives me 4.95. I have to add 81.25 to this answer. 86.2. C square equals to 86.2, but we need value of C, so what I have to do, I have to take the square root of that, and that will become 9.29 centimeter. So C, which is actually BD, equals to 9.29 centimeter. I hope you are really clear about today's class. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.